Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's going on, family? TonioDaQuietStorm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing great out there. Staying safe, having fun, enjoying life, and all that good stuff. If you hadn't watched the last video, man, I definitely enjoyed the event, the Buzz City Muscle event down in Albemarle this past weekend. Enjoyed seeing a lot of great looking vehicles, some nice wraps, and met a lot of people out there, and gonna be trying to network with them soon, and go from there. But coming to you today because I'm excited. Why am I excited? Y'all want to know? Well, I'm about to drop Saddie off, get a little work done, and I'm pretty sure she gonna look hot, more hot than she do now. As I mentioned before, this thing keep wobbling. I keep jumping and everything, bumpy roads and whatnot. They didn't need to fix down here on I-40. But anyway, as I said, I'm excited, man. About to go drop Saddie off. Like I said, I already got a head turner. A lot of people looking at it because they're looking at this yellow and this black. And a lot of people at the event was looking at it, so I got some people's attention, But I'm actually headed to go drop her off to get some work done, and it's gonna be off the chain. Like I said, I might not have the baddest scat, but I'm gonna have one of the baddest scats out there. Trust me on that. If you don't believe me, wait and see. Because I'm not telling y'all what I'm doing. Just gonna have to wait and find out till it gets done. So, but like I said, I'm going to drop her off drop Saddie off right now, and hopefully by tomorrow evening. Yeah, today is Wednesday, August 4th. So hopefully by tomorrow evening, Thursday, August the 5th, should be looking right. So taking it to Vizual Efx. Shout out my man Fonzo. Just gonna do his work, do his thing on it, and they ain't even worried about it because I already know he gonna do his thing. So when I get there, I turn this camera back on. Alright, so I done made it to the spot. You said, see it right there, Vizual Efx. So about to go in here and see what my man got going on. Drop old Saddie off, but I want y'all to, I'm pretty sure he done this too. Got the front windows tinted on this Escalade. Just pretty nice, man. I actually like it. Besides the wheels on it, but it was pretty good. But like I said, my man does great work. As I'm pretty sure that is probably about 20% on the front to kind of match the back of it. But yep, that's pretty much what it is. Let's go in here and see what my man got going on. What up, man? What's up, family? I'm back. As you see, I'm actually just got to the house. I know I said I was gonna keep the camera on when I went up in the shop, but out of respect, you know, I turned the camera off. So I know my man gonna take care of Saddie, so I'm not even worried about that. I'm just ready to see him when he does his thing on it. So you just gonna have to stay tuned, just like I got to stay tuned. Cause yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fire. But y'all stay tuned, and I am too, to see what it's gonna look like. So until then, I'll holler at you later. What's up, family? So today is the day. About to pick Saddie up. Know she looking right and all that. Just got to my man's shop. I'm sitting here in Big Red Gat's ride right now that I was driving while Saddie was getting her bikini on. But let's go check it out. Let me turn the car off first. Good. Let me tell y'all something, man. My boy did his thing on this. I'm telling you, he did his thing on this. Yes, sir. He did his thing on this. Check her out. Check her out. Yes, sir. He did his thing. He did his thing.
I love it. I love it.
Shout out to my boy, man. Hit him up if you need anything, man. Fonzo here at Vizual Efx. You see that, the phone number and everything. If you need anything, man, just holler at him. Let's go check him out.
What's up? What's up? Back. As y'all saw the ride, what y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all think it's one of the baddest scats out there now? What y'all think? Comment below. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Shout out my man Fonzo with Vizual Efx. Did his thing as always, man. I love you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Keep doing your thing. But yeah, I love it, man. I love it. I definitely go have some heads turning now for real. I had heads turning before, but now they really gonna turn. They gonna snap necks right by now. Turning so hard, they gonna snap your neck. Gonna be like. But yeah, man, appreciate it. So my dude, my dog, my brother. If y'all ever need something done, you know, tent work, whatever you need, just shout him out. You know, see if he can do it. If he can do it, he can do it. If he can't, he gonna tell you he can't. So straight up, dude, man, he'll let you know what's what, and I definitely appreciate that. So he's a mastermind too. So he come up with some stuff for you. So. But yeah, man, shout out to him once again. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate y'all. I ain't gonna close this out just yet. I know I'm driving right now, but I'm gonna show it to you one more time. Alright, until then, until I turn this camera back on. See you in a bit.
So as I said, let me give y'all one more look at this thing, man. Now y'all tell me if this ain't one of the baddest scats around. Let me know what you think. Comment below. But appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. As you see it right there, TonioDaQuietStorm. Also follow me on Instagram at TonioDaQuietStorm. Once again, shout out to my guy Fonzo at Vizual Efx. Check him out if you need anything. Just check him out. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends as we all go up in 2021 and beyond. So let's get it. Let's get it. But God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. As long as you have faith, trust in Him, and believe in Him. Believe in yourself. Trust yourself and have faith in yourself, because you can do anything you put your mind to. So whenever you get down and think you can't do it, look up above. You can do it. So until the next time, family, holla at y'all later.